I'm here to share a success story with you. Amazing results achieved by holding a challenge, sometimes called a quest, inside a real-life Mighty network. This quest had two purposes. One of them was to improve member interaction, and the other was to provide each member with a benefit, with a result that matched what they were trying to get inside the network. And this challenge exceeded expectations in both. This challenge was held inside my network in a space called Success Partners, where I offer small group support to Mighty Network hosts. This was a 3-week landing page refresh with each individual host working to improve their own landing page while inspiring and supporting each other. During each of the 3 weeks, I shared 2 steps, and those steps were put right into articles in the activity feed of the space. There were 3 group calls, 1 each week, that I set up event posts for. These articles and event posts were all pre-scheduled. I also pre-scheduled polls to check in with people how they were feeling each week. I used the featured list to organize the information for the week so it was easy for people to find, and also set up the discovery page to show the featured list so it was easy for people to catch up and see what was happening. One of the featured posts was always a checklist to help people step through the different calls and the steps for each week and what had already happened. The biggest part of this story is not how I set up the challenge. It's what happened during and after. What were the results that the members got and that I saw in the network? First of all, the members got excited about working on their landing pages and making these small steps that improved them during the 3 weeks of the challenge and after. Even weeks after, they're coming into this space and saying, hey, I tried this. What do you think of that? So they're still working on this project that they started and still getting benefits from that. But even more is the difference in interaction. Let me show you in the Mighty Network Insights. As you'd expect, the interaction in the space during the challenge was higher than normal. What went beyond my expectations was how that interaction sparked more interaction and continued engagement after the challenge. It's only continued to grow. We've just finished the 2nd month since the challenge, and that's what you're looking at in this chart. So you can see even 2 months later, this month is better than the month before. There's a lot more contributions. Contributions include cheers and comments. And when I look in the space, in the activity feed, I can tell the quality of what people are asking, coming in and posting, and then talking to each other and sharing and supporting each other has really grown. It's a big win for everybody. One of my favorite community building quotes sums up what happens. Laís de Oliveira says, "The community building is growing familiarity through a cadence of encounters that spark serendipity." That's what happened during these challenges. By sharing the experience of working on landing pages at the same time with each other and bumping into each other in the live calls and the posts has built relationships that are just continuing to deepen as we work on other things inside this member area. I encourage you to use quests and challenges inside your Mighty Network, both to provide results that the members are looking for and to provide that cadence of encounters that builds relationships and grows interaction between your members. This example is only one way to structure and organize a challenge. There are many different ways to do so. If you'd like help with challenges and quests or other aspects of the Mighty Networks platform, please check the video description. I have a free Mighty Network that models different ways to use the platform. I also provide private and small group support. And don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel.